mall. The entire mall is vibrating with the red color. And everywhere, oh, that's for sugar even, that's for sugar friend. The sugar has created a brand. 10 years in sugar. What a phenomenal achievement it has been. My question to you, what is the first thought that came to your mind when you started out?
मेकअप खराब हो जाएगा।
ओ प्लीज, शुगर का मेकअप है।
शुगर है।
शुगर है।
So, yes, 10 years is a long journey. And I think if I could use one word to describe this journey, it's not the glamour that everybody thinks. Lot of businesses को देख के हम जब टेलीविजन पे देखते हैं तो फंडिंग वाली बातें होती है, तो बातें वैल्यूएशंस की होती है, मेकअप पे वी आर ऑलवेज टॉकिंग अबाउट लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल, बट आई थिंक व्हाट only people who run their own businesses realize is that building a business requires a lot of grit, which is that on the good days, the bad days, showing up. And so I think if there was one feeling that got us to start Sugar, it was these incredible women. मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ and पुणे जैसा वेदर नहीं है वहाँ पे। ऐसा कांस्टेंट एयर कंडीशनिंग, बारिश हो रही है उसके बाद भी इतना ठंडा है, मतलब दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग नहीं है, बट यस द यंग एनर्जी ऑफ वुमेन। एंड ये जो मुझे आज कल पुणे में दिख रहा है, मैं कल रात को मिली, देयर वर 2-3 ग्रुप्स ऑफ गर्ल्स और मुझे लगा सारी फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट इंडिया की पुणे से ही स्टार्ट हो गई। गर्ल आउटिंग्स एंड गर्ल गैंग्स, so many I saw in the last 24 hours that I've been here. And I think when we started Sugar, that time girls did not have the opportunity to go out and work.
Right.
If you look at workforce में बहुत कम लड़कियां होती थी, and generally लड़कियों वाली jobs बहुत few होती थी। आज यहाँ पे इतनी सारी security में women है, मैं उनको पूछा कितनी देर lots of hi, good night, hi. मैं जब आ रही थी, I've rarely seen so many women in security roles. जब हम आते हैं तो Uber delivery, Uber drivers, Swiggy and Zomato की delivery सब लड़कियां कर रही है, and all of this is possible. And we saw this journey happen of Indian women finding their control over their destiny, their ability to be ambitious. छुपा छुपा के सपने नहीं देख रही हैं आजकल लड़कियां, ओपनली सपने देख रही है। एंड फॉर दैट वी वांटेड टू क्रिएट प्रोडक्ट्स जो उनको पूरा दिन चले। यू नो, व्हेन यू आर लिविंग इन अ सिटी लाइक मुंबई, कई बार पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में आप जाते हो, आप ट्रेन से बाहर निकल के पूरा पसीना पसीना हो जाता है और आपको पता भी नहीं है वो पसीना आपका है कि किसी और का है। एंड वी वांटेड टू क्रिएट प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वर्क फॉर इंडिया, इंडियन वुमेन, इंडियन वेदर, that are sweat proof, waterproof, and that's how Sugar was born 10 years ago.
Sir, are you walking, talking example of sugar product? So I am also
Very stunning example. खूब छान.
Thank you. So, what was the boldest decision you took that shaped Sugar DNA?
The boldest decision as a founder is always starting up. Because it's also the hardest. मतलब हम इतने लोग हैं, मैं कितने लोगों को आज मिली जो मुझे बोले कि I want to start my own company. Yeah, anybody here wants to start their own company?
Anybody wants to start off? Yeah.
Yes,
Lot of
I'm hearing, seeing waves at the back. Yes, a lot of people. All of us have that thing.
The question I was asking, when the electrical god decided to switch off, so posing the question, what is that one boldest decision you took when you started this brand way back, 10 years back?
10 years back when we launched Sugar, it was unheard of an Indian brand to have presence in a beautiful mall like this. आज आप देखो ग्राउंड फ्लोर ऑफ मॉल पे सब इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स होते हैं, सबको चाहिए इटालियन, कोरियन, अमेरिकन ब्रांड्स। हमने सोचा कि इटली में बैठ के लोग इंडियन वुमेन के लिए अच्छा प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनाएंगे, एंड वी डिसाइडेड टू fight that assumption. and it was difficult in the beginning because it was 10 साल पहले लोग पैसे नहीं देना चाहते थे made in India brand के लिए, and I think the boldest decision we made was to follow our instinct and launch a beauty brand by Indian women for Indian women, and that was the only reason this worked out, because everywhere else there were decisions being made on what Indian women should wear by men sitting in boardrooms, but Sugar was different.
Beautiful. That rounds big round of applause. By Indian woman for the Indian woman, and the decision changed everything for many of us. Now, one question. Of course, that Make in India is a very powerful movement and movement which you created. You not only are icon for Shark Tank, but icon for every Indian houses today. What is the vision in terms of when you started beauty, right? Beauty was already there. So what was the vision of the beauty as a market for you?
Yeah, our vision is always that every woman is beautiful, and we want to inspire women to find that confidence and beauty within themselves, irrespective of what skin tone. You know, I grew up having the greatest complex of being deeper skin tone compared to the other girls in my class, and I always thought that dark cannot be beautiful. I always thought that you need to have perfect skin, perfect hair to feel beautiful. But I think the journey of starting Sugar and meeting women everywhere has made me understand that beauty is, it's a state of mind, and every woman has the right to feel that confidence irrespective of whether she's wearing Indian dress, ethnic dress, dark, fair, skin issues hai, acne hai, dark circles hai. Every woman has the right, and I think if there is one thing that Sugar wants to do is that, you know, make sure that the girl who's growing up doesn't feel like she doesn't deserve to be beautiful, and give her that confidence from day one.
Beautifully
And that's why I actually, you know, when I meet little girls, and you know, Kavya was that 7-year-old girl there, and I met like 10, 12. I find it incredible because I feel that छोटी लड़कियां आज grow up कर रही हैं feeling that they don't need to be a certain shape or size or color to be beautiful, and they are all wearing their ambition. They are coming to me and saying, मुझे बड़े होके फाउंडर बनना है, मुझे बड़े होके CEO बनना है. जब हम बच्चे थे तो we did not have that courage. हमें सबको लगता था कि हमें बड़े होके शादी करनी है, फैमिली करनी है, and that was all that we could be out there saying. But seeing these young girls own their ambition and own their confidence in their own beauty, I think for me that makes me feel like that makes me give meaning to whatever we are doing.
I think it's a beautiful portrait. Beauty is all about wearing your confidence, raising your arm to the world, being you. Nobody is like you. So once you define yourself as you, that's what beauty all about. Okay? It's okay. Doesn't matter. Can you hear me? Yeah. So I have a very interesting question.
Okay.
Sugar has launched many iconic products, many, right? I lose count. Now, if I have to, yes, that's one of them. If I have to ask you to play a desert island pick, which of the 3 products will make it to your beauty pouch?
Oh wow. Okay, I'll start with something which is not makeup. Sunscreen. How many of you wear sunscreen? I think अगर हम इंडिया में रहना है तो हमें रियलाइज करना पड़ेगा कि ये ट्रॉपिकल वेदर है, एंड दैट्स द वन बेसिक थिंग, इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ जब एजिंग होती है, स्किन डैमेज होता है, टैन होता है, तो वो जेंडर नहीं दिखता है, वो नहीं देखता अरे ये लड़का है इसको नहीं टैन करेंगे, ये लड़का है इसकी स्किन को डैमेज नहीं करेंगे. सन डैमेज इज द बिगेस्ट कॉज. अगर आप सनस्क्रीन लगाओगे तो शायद आपके प्लास्टिक सर्जरी या बोटॉक्स के पैसे बच जाएंगे.
As people say.
So I think so we have a sunscreen called Tan Ban. It's like a light gel, which really, you know, you can apply the 2 fingers. The sunscreen का the biggest challenge is कि 2 या 3 फिंगर भर के लगाना होता है, नहीं तो it's not enough. At least for India. and that's one of those gels that even if you apply like 3 fingers, it will blend very quickly in your skin. So that is my number one, especially if I'm on an island.
Yeah.
Definitely a lot of sun exposure. Second is the Matte as Hell Crayon. It is very close to my heart, not just because it completed 10 years, but also is lipstick ka har color is named after an iconic woman hero from a book. So anybody who's read Gone with the Wind? Okay, some people. Scarlett O'Hara from Gone with the Wind. Rose Dawson from Titanic. Titanic तो देखी है? Titanic देखी है? My Heart Will Go On देखी है ना? हाँ. So Rose Dawson from Titanic, Brandy Harrington, Poison Ivy. So all of the lipstick shades are named after these iconic women. And अगर मैं कोई island पे फंस गई, so I want to feel that power of those women, and that's why Matte as Hell would be one of them.
Okay, so you know the secret now. No wonder why Vinita is glowing, why Kaushik is there also like looking so young. It's because of the sunscreen. Okay, now a tricky one. Behind every successful woman, there is a man. Kaushik, there is saying, people are saying there is a woman. Sunscreen. Behind every successful woman, there is a sunscreen. Let me reframe the question. Behind every successful woman, there is a gold lipstick. Woohoo! So, my question to you, what is that one thing which you mentioned, the Matte as Hell,
Yeah.
mean to you to define your power moments?
I find an iconic red lipstick to be this moment of power कि लाइफ में कितना भी स्ट्रेस हो, एंड सबको स्ट्रेस है, सिर्फ फाउंडर्स को स्ट्रेस नहीं है, हम कोई भी रोल करें, एज अ पेरेंट स्ट्रेस है, एज अ वाइफ स्ट्रेस है, एज अ मदर स्ट्रेस है. I feel that if you have one lipstick that just makes you feel like you are unstoppable, it doesn't matter what color it is. So everyone has that one shade which they feel this is born for me and this makes me iconic. For me, that is the red Scarlett O'Hara from the Matte as Hell range. आज मैंने रेड ड्रेस पहनी है, इसलिए उसके ऊपर रेड लिपस्टिक ज्यादा हो जाती, तो मैंने नहीं पहनी. But otherwise, whenever I'm feeling low, that's the color, and I am driving this big agenda to bring red back into fashion.
It is, it is. You just put a shade of red lipstick, a bold lipstick, you stand out, right? Whatever says. So I love the name that you have called.
Thank you.
One last question, Vinita, because people are all waiting.
Yeah.
What is the tea getting spilled on by your sugar squad on the new product launch and the innovation that they are cooking at the background?
Yeah. Okay. So this year, our product team, led by Mamta, my colleague who's here, we've been working together for the last 12 years, has worked very hard to add ingredients which are really good for your skin that go beyond makeup. That आप जब makeup पहनोगे, तो not only are you wearing something that makes you look good, but it also works behind the scenes on your skin. So we've launched a foundation, Asoface Dewy Foundation, which is available in every Indian shade, that has 5% niacinamide. Niacinamide really helps in treating oily skin, dark spots, aging, and other skin concerns. And that one product has skincare benefits while also giving a very natural glow. And I think that's one of our biggest initiatives this year has been making sure every product of ours, आप ingredients पीछे पढ़िए जरूर, क्योंकि उसमें all the ingredients that we've added will be good for your skin, will help you have improved skin quality long term, while giving you the glow that keeps you on the go.
Beautiful. I tried all your product. Trust me, especially your sunscreen. It gives such a cooling effect. If you haven't tried, you must try that.
Right.
It's like gel based and beautiful product launch. I know there are a lot of people waiting. One last question, maybe if you don't mind. There has been 1 decade of journey, and that's been wow, right? Just wow. How are the next 10 years looking like?
I am very big on India for the next 10 years, क्योंकि आज इंडिया में दुनिया के 50% डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रहे हैं. आज इंडिया में there is an increasing, there's like 30% participation of women in workforce. इंटरनेट पेनिट्रेशन 800 मिलियन मतलब 80 करोड़ आउट ऑफ 150 करोड़ लोगों के पास इंटरनेट एक्सेस है. सोशल मीडिया पे 400 मिलियन 500 मिलियन यूजर्स हैं. सो आई थिंक इट इज इंडियाज डेकेड and my wish is only that next 10 years will be the decade for Indian brands to grow global, and that's my vision, not just for us but for all the entrepreneurs who are planning to build in India and are looking at dreaming big.
I would love to see more airport from the Germany to New York to everywhere. Sugar brand popping out. With that note, a big round of applause for this fantastic question. Answer that you have given. You not only level up our ethos, our ambitions, you have become a role model in the society by the dint of your presence and the way you kind of pull the crowd. Once again, a heartiest congratulations. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you.
Being part of the show.
Thank you, Pune. As my friend reminds me, I'm supposed to say it. I will not say it correctly. Thank you, Pune. I love you, and it's been incredible.
Beautiful.